Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Okay, this is Fire Escape Engineers. We're over here at 441 49th Street. This is the means of egress for the back of the building, and you have to go through the building and then you come out here, and you have 6 treads. They're cast concrete, and then we have 2-inch diameter rail, and the rail is it's starting. You can see there's a lot of spalling, and this get this whole thing's ready to go. Look at this. Okay, that's completely rusted out, so that needs to be addressed. And you got approximately a 10-foot by 3-foot well there, and then it goes into this door. There's a release mechanism on that door. It just swings out. That's your means of egress. And again, you need an EP renovator's license if this is pre-1978. If you look down here, you see there's trouble. A lot of this is rusted out. This definitely needs to be addressed, this railing. And let me just give you another shot here. Walk down quick. And then you can see there's a light there, but you do still have to go through the building to get out. Okay. Okay, this is Fire Escape Engineers, and let's give a shot here. This concludes the inspector's summary video.
Load test still may be required by the AHJ. Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.